Okay, guys, so let's see how you can run adverts, Facebook adverts using your phone. Now, before you proceed with this point, I want you to watch the videos I shot using laptop, all right? So I want you to watch all of them. It's the same process because I'm not going to be all that detailed using the smartphone. It's just to tell you that you can run advert with your smartphone. Now, the only difference is this. The only difference is that the interface of a laptop is far better compared to phone. I don't run advert using phone. I don't. So I'm just doing this for those of you who don't have a laptop. So like I said, always start by going to the business settings. That's where you need to run your advert from. So you don't just go to your Facebook account and then you start running advert. Now, before you create a business account, you must have a Facebook account. All right. I said that before. You must have a Facebook account before you can create a business account. I already said that in the laptop section. So you must have a Facebook account logged in that browser. As you can see, this is Chrome browser here, and this account is already logged in. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to open a new tab to create a business account. All right. So I'm opening a new tab. Then once you open a new tab, type business. All right. business.facebook.com/overview. I said that before. /overview. Look at what I typed. All right. business.facebook.com/overview. So that's what you need to type. Then you click on what? Enter. It will now open. It will ask you to create what? An account. All right. You just create an account, not log in. You create an account the same way I did it using the laptop. So you click on create an account. So once you create an account, if you are not logged in, remember it will bring me here again. It's asking me to what? Log in. So I'm going to log in. That's why I say you must log in into your account before you start. So I'm logging in into this Facebook account now. All right, it's asking me for password. Let me put the fast password. So I've imputed the password. It's going to open. Right now, it's asking me to create account. Remember, I wasn't logged in before. I've logged in. If I click on this create account again, all right, let me click on create account. As you can see, it's opening. This is just the same thing with the phone, with the laptop interface. So what business account name? So I'm going to give it so I can remember phone tutorial or phone lesson. All right, that's the business name, phone lesson. Then the name, automatically it is the name that the Facebook account that houses this business. That's what will be here. All right, so your business email. All right, you input your email. Let me put my email. Okay, let me put my email. I hope this one works. So once you do that, the next thing for you to do is to put what? Click on what? Submit. sdbechizi907@gmail. Okay, now let me click on submit. So once I click on submit, let's see what will happen if we to create a business account in the business manager for us. Let's just watch and see. It doesn't really tell. They say phone lesson was created. Confirm your email address. Click the link. Send to. So this account has been created. All right. He said we should confirm our email address. So let me go and search and see if the mail has been sent. All right. Let me search if the mail has been sent. Okay. Facebook. I think we have here. Let me check. Okay, confirm your business address. This is the email. This is the email. So I'm going to confirm it. All right, as you can see phone lesson. All right, confirm. So I'm going to confirm the email. Also confirm yours. All right. All right, it's asking me to log in. Let me log in. All right. Okay. So I've confirmed it and I've logged in. So I'll go back to my Chrome. So I've confirmed this business. So that's why it's logged in automatically here. Let me go back. Let me go back here. So once I go back, it's asking me. All right. Okay. Now, I came back here. We've created the account. There's no need for you to create another one. So it's asking, this is it, I've created it, and then I confirmed it. Immediately I confirmed it, this is what appeared. All right, so this is the business account that has been created. So what I'm going to do is to go back. Let me go back to my Chrome, all right? Because what I was supposed to do was to click on done. So I clicked on done from the email. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is to open another one. That I'm going to write business.facebook.com/settings, all right? You understand? /settings. I click on enter. It will now open that business account for me. It will open all the business account that is housed on this phone. So this is the business account. So I'm going to click on it. That is phone lesson. As you can see it. This is the business account. This is the business account here. So this is the business account. So I'm going to click on it. I'm clicking on it. So once I click on it, it will bring out this business. As you can see, it has brought out these business settings for me. So what do I need to do? You know that this is a fresh business account. All right, this is a fresh business account. All you need to do is to create a page. All right, you create a business page, a Facebook page, sorry, and then you create an ad account the same way we did everything with the phone. Do you understand what I'm saying? So all you need to do for you to create your page, as you can see, if I come to pages here, there is no page. Let me click on page. You will see that this account has no page. As you can see, phone lessons business does not have any pages yet. So all you need to do is to click on add page, the same way we did on the phone section. That's why I said you should watch the phone section. I'm not going to create anything here. So watch the phone section the same way I created it. If I click on this drop down now, if I click on this add right now, it's asking me add a page, request access to a page, create a new page. So all you need to do is to create a new page. You understand? So you just do it as I did on the phone section. That is just it. Now, if you want to also create your ad account, because you need an ad account to run advert. So all you need to do is to come here. You see add account. All right. You click on add accounts. Click on add accounts. It's telling you that phone lesson doesn't have any ad accounts here. You also click on this drop down, this blue button that said add. If you click on it, drop downs will come. You just create a new add account. Simple as that. All right. So you also come to this place. Let me close this. So if you also want to add pixel, all right, create a pixel, you just come to data sources. You come to data sources, click it, click on it. You can see pixels. You can see pixels here, right? You click on pixels. The same way we did on the phone. It's telling us that this phone lesson has no pixel, all right? It has no pixel. All you need to do is to click on add pixel, all right? Once you click on add pixel, you just continue phone lesson pixel, and then you create it. You click on continue. I'm not creating anything here, all right? So I'm just telling us it is also you can also do this using your phone. But before you do this, you need to watch the laptop session. Just follow the laptop guide. You will do it on your phone. All right. So when it comes to domain, adding your domain and verifying your domain is also the same thing. You come to brand and safety. You come to brand and safety. Come to this brand and safety. Click on it. Click on the drop down. Click on the drop. You will see domains. Okay. You will see domains. You click on domain. So that's why I said watch the laptop session. You can see phone lesson has no domains. You simply click on this blue button. You click on this blue button. Once you click on it, you can create a new domain. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it's also the same process. All right, it's also the same process. So before you create all those stuff, watch the phone section. So what I'm interested in is how you can use this to run your advert, advert. So I'm going to switch over. I'm going to click here and switch to a business account that has everything. So I'm going to switch to this I'm going to switch over to DigiCreator. All right, I'm going to switch over there. Okay, so for you to run your advert, always come to your business settings, Facebook, business.facebook.com/settings. You come here, click on this three line. Click on this three line, okay? Once you click on it, it will open up. You understand? And then you click on your what? Ads what? Manager. You click on. So watch the phones, the laptop section is also the same process. The difference is that you're using a what? A phone. So click on Ads what? Manager. If you click on the Ads Manager here, all right, it will open this interface that you can run what? Account. It's saying that you need permission. You don't have permission to access any other accounts for DigiCreator. Okay, so let me change this. Okay, so I change it to the one that I have access to. So what I said is that just come here, this three dotted line here, click on it. So once you click on it, once you click on it, all right, you click on what? Ads Manager. If you click on Ads Manager, it will bring you to this what? Interface. So all you need to do, you start creating your what? Advert. Okay? How do you create your advert? I've already taught us that. You come here, you do what? Create. You come, do what? Create. Click on create. It will load up. As you can see, it's the same interface, everything. You understand? It's the same interface. So if you want to run a lead campaign, if you want to run WhatsApp campaign, whatever you want to do, you just choose from any of this. You just choose from any of this campaign you want to run, and then you click on what? Continue. So that's why I said you should first of all watch the laptop section. Watch the laptop section before you start using your word phone. Like I said, I won't go into creating all the no. I've already done everything using our laptop. So before you proceed with phone, watch the laptop section and then you come here and apply it. It's as simple as ABCD. You can run this advert using, as you can see, I'm running it using my phone. But the only difference is that, you can't compare both interface. You understand? You can't compare both interface. This interface is smaller. So guys, that is just it. So if I want to run any campaign here, all I need to do, maybe I want to run, let's say, a sales campaign. I simply click on what? Sales. I simply click on sales. If I click on sales, as you can see, now this is also the same drop down we clicked in the phone section. So if you click on it, that's if you click on this drop down, you can name your campaigns, as you can see. So if I say maybe phone campaign, all right, phone campaign, phone campaign, I come to the ad set. You understand? Phone campaign ad set, or let me say phone ad set. Then I come to add, all right? I say phone add, all right? Then the next thing I click on what? Continue. I click on what? Continue. I click on continue. Remember that you also fund your account, all right? Fund your ad account using the same way, the same method I taught us using our laptop, all right? So you can see this is the first interface. This is the first interface. So what do? There's nothing to do here. You simply go back. You simply go to your ad set, click ad set, all right? Or you come down here and click on what? Next. Come down here, click on what? Next. So if this pops up, close this. If this pops up, tap here. If this pops up, tap here and close it, all right? Close it. Then click on what? Next. Once you click on next, it will bring you to the ad set. It has brought us to the what? To the ad set. So what do? You start imputing everything you want to do. Remember, you have created your pixel. You just come down here and then you click your word pixel, all right? You click your word pixel and your pixel will be what? Added. If you click on it, the pixels that are available, all right? You can see the pixels that are available will come out, all right? You click on the pixel you want to use, all right? Let's say we want to use this pixel. So you come down. You see, that's why I said the laptop section. A phone, you will continue to zoom out, zoom out. Understand? Continue to zoom out. Now let me go here. This three dotted line. Let me click on it. If you click this three dotted line, you will see that this is not. Let me click on this three dotted line. You will see that this is not in desktop size. So if you want it to have laptop interface, you can click on this. All right? You can click on this. Whichever one you choose, you can click on that and then use it as a laptop interface. All right, it's on phone mode. That's why it's like this. So if I change it to laptop interface now, let me show you. Let me change it to laptop interface. I've clicked and changed to laptop interface. You can see this is the way it will be. The same way with laptop. Okay? The same way with laptop. So you can also decide to slant. If your phone can rotate, you understand? You can rotate your phone. You can rotate your phone to have a better interface. So this is just phone interface right now. I mean laptop interface. So if you input your pixel, like we said before, click, put your pixel, all right? You come here, you input everything you need to input. I've already said that detailed targeting, you understand? You change your placements, age, your location. If you want to run for custom audience, you run for custom audience. If you want to run detailed targeting, you run for detailed targeting. So please don't rush and start watching this phone section. You will get confused without watching the laptop session. So I'm just telling us that this interface can also work on the phone, all right? So once you are done with whatever you're doing, you simply click on what? Next below. Click on next below. All right, you click on next below. I'm not doing anything, just click on next below. So if you click on next, it will take you to the what? Add what level. As you can see, it has taken us to the add what level. You set up your adverts. You set up your advert. So you choose your page. I've already taught us all this. You choose your page. Okay, sorry, I'm fast. You choose your page. Then you come down, you set up your ad. All right, if you want to add picture, you set up your picture here. You set up your picture here. Now, if you want to add primary text, all right, you come here, you write your text. I've already told us, I took time to tell us how to write a compelling word, Facebook word, sales copy. I also made available my free ebook. There's an ebook I made available. So you need to read that ebook. What you need to do to run a compelling Facebook ad, because you might get everything. If your advert is not catchy, if it's not strong, if it's not emotional, if it doesn't pinpoint the pain of your customers, you're not going to make one kobo. All right. So you put your headline, here. All right. And then your call to action, input your call to action here. And then your website. If you're running it through website, you put your website. All right. You put your what? Website. All right. You put your website, and then you come down here, and then website events. You need to tick your website events. I already taught us that website events. So these website events can only work, remember, when you have already installed your domain, and then you now put the events you want your domain to be tracking. That is your website. So if it is purchase, whatever. So once you configure it very, very well, you can see that tracking will be happening here. All right. Tracking will be happening here. So always optimize your word events. So guys, this is just it. How to use your word smartphone. If you are done, you just come down here and click on word publish. So please, make sure you watch the laptop section on how to do all this. You come to your phone, you create a business account. Once you create a business account, go ahead and create your ad account, your Facebook page. Create your Facebook page from your business account, create your ad account from your business account, and then you begin to run your ads. All right, create your pixel as well. Now go to your domain, verify your pixel. If you verify your pixel will start firing. All right, if you're running WhatsApp ad, you don't need all those stuff. If you're running from Facebook to WhatsApp, I've already told us how to do that. So just watch the laptop section. You just come down to this place, and then you start running your advert. Remember, I said please always run your advert through business.facebook.com/settings. All right, /settings. I'm saying that all over again. All right. Once you enter here, you now come to your business account. If you don't have only one business account, that is what will show here. I have so many business accounts. So whichever one it is that you click it, and then it will bring you to this interface. All right. You now come to this place. This three hamburger here. All right. And then click on it. Once you click on it, you will see Ads Manager. All right. You click on it. Then the audiences, how to create custom audience and the rest of it. You can also see it here. If I click this place, audiences now, I can also create custom audiences. So it is also the same thing. That's why I say, please watch the laptop section before you rush and come to this what is it called, phone. If not, you will get what, confused. As you can see, all right, I have audiences already created. That's why you're seeing this. So you can come here, you create your custom what, audience, using the same method I taught using what, the phone. So guys, it's relatively what, easy how to do it. All right, so your billing, you can come here, your billing, you come here, okay, you come here, your billing, you come here, all right, that is here, you come here, click on it. You want to make payment, you can come there and also make payment. I also taught us how to do that using the laptop. Please make sure, all right, make sure. So you can see this billing, this is the account we open, this is the add account we have here. So if I click on add funds here, if I click on add funds, all right, if I click on add funds, it will bring out this option. All right, it will bring out this option for me to add fund. Remember, I told us, don't try to use this method. Use this, click on it, and then you click on what, next, tick on it. Okay, tick on it. If you tick on it here, you click on what, next, and you can now fund your account using your Naira card. You can use your Naira card. So the reason why I said you should open your account using business settings is because once you come here, everything you need, if you come to this three hamburger, everything you need, click on it, you can see everything you need appears here. You want to make payment, you want to fund your account, you can see billing here. You want to add account, you want to add your account, you want to create Facebook page, you want to create an ad account. All you need to do, once you click this three dotted line, you just come to business settings, you come to business settings. Once you come to business settings, it will bring you to the business settings, how to set. You can see all these places, they have now popped out. You can add your pages, your ad account, and then your pixel, and then what, your domain. So if I click on those drop down, you will see, look at this. Let me click on this drop down for ad accounts. You will see I can create a page and add account. That is what you need to do there. And then you want to add your Instagram, you also come there. That is where you come and add your Instagram account. I know why I'm taking time and this video is lengthy. I've done all this in the laptop session. So you want to also, You want to also create your pixel. You just click on these data sources. Click on it to drop down. You can see you add your word pixel. All right. So you want to domain. You want to verify your domain. You simply come here. All right. Simply come here, click on it. As you can see, domain. So guys, that's why I said you should run your advert through your business settings. So once you come to business.facebook.com/settings, you click on that settings, and then it will bring you here. Whatever you want to do, you can set it up here. So once you are done here, setting up everything as I taught you, all you need to do is to come back here. All right, click on it again. And then go to your ads manager, Jeje, and start running your ads. If you click on that ads manager now, it will bring you to the ads manager, and you start running your account. You start creating your advert. You can see your create here. You start creating your advert. All right. So please, I advise us, watch the laptop section, and then you can now use your phone to run your advert. Just take time, take it easy gradually, and you will get it done. Thank you.